Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Three fuses we'll need to check for the ignition switch. The first one is super easy to find. Okay, we're going to come right here, guys. Okay, we're going to demonstrate on this 2017 Honda Civic. The fuse box that we'll need today, guys, okay, will be in the vehicle. If you look upside down under the dash on the driver's side, you're going to notice a fuse box like that next to the OBD port. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit. Before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So let's explain now, guys, okay, what we have here. We're going to show you now, guys, here the fuse that we'll need will be you can see on this row we have fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 26. We have fuse number 21, so 1, 2, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, guys, okay, right here. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That 10 amp fuse will need to be checked for the ignition switch. Then things get interesting. We need to go under the hood. You're going to open the fuse box under the hood. We have that fuse box right here. That's the cover, guys. And if you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box that looks like that. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly show you what we have here specifically, guys, okay, because it could be hard to see. Now here we'll need to check two fuses specifically, guys, okay. Two fuses will need to be checked. First will be known as fuse number 1. We're talking about that huge fuse right here, that multi-block fuse. We'll have a link in the description of the video below where you can buy those special fuses from, because they could be really hard to find or expensive. In this fuse, you need to, the only way to practically check those is by removing the bolt and pulling the fuse out. And it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses. The one that you need to check starting from the top will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 30 amp fuse right here, okay, will be the one that you will need to check. Then you have another one which is known as fuse number 2 in this row right here, and here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses. First one is 70 amps in our case, the second one is 30 amps right here. That's the one that you will need to check, guys, okay, that 30 amp fuse. And here we'll need to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 30 amp fuse. Those 30 amp fuses will need to be checked, guys. Another thing, guys, okay, let me show you what those fuses look like. Okay, they're those multi fuses, guys. You can see the different components. So the one that we had now, okay, will be, you can see, okay, right there, and that's the big fuse right here, one. So that will be this fuse right here that we'll check. So you can see when you remove them, you can clearly see them.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.